Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Swim 2 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. Before we start, you can pair this watch with the Android phone in two ways. The first method is to do it during the setup process of the watch. So basically, if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the second method is to do it via the settings after the watch has been already set up. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it during the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it via the settings. Okay, so let's continue with the pairing. First thing you will need to do is to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the light button. Keep holding it until you see the Garmin logo on the screen, and once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting into a system. After the watch turns on, you may see the list of languages. This means that the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And you can scroll through this list by using the up and down buttons. Now, scroll through the list, find the language you like to use, select it, and then press the start button to confirm. And as you can see, now we're being asked if you want to pair the watch with a phone. We want to do that, so let's select the yes option and then press the start button. The watch will enter the pairing mode. This means we need to download and install the Garmin Connect application on our phone now. So make sure you have the internet connection on your phone and the Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the Google Play Store, tap on search, type in Garmin Connect, and tap on search. You should see this application. Oh, I typed it wrong, but Garmin Connect basically. And you should see this application, Garmin Connect by Garmin. You can tap on the install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. Now we need to log in into a Garmin account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on create account button to make a new one. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on sign in, check the box, tap on next. And here we're gonna enter the credentials, so email address, then password. And once you're done entering the email address and password, tap on next to log in. After you log in, you will need to tap on allow access and then allow. And at this point, the app should detect your watch automatically. As you can see, it detected ours. If it doesn't detect your watch, you could try to press the back button to exit the pairing mode, press the start button to enter it again, or you could try pressing and holding the crown button, or rather not crown button, my bad, light button, for a couple of seconds, basically until the watch turns off, and then turn it back on by pressing and holding the light button again to restart it, and hopefully that will help you. And once the app detects the watch, press the connect button or tap on it, tap on allow, enter the code from the watch, then tap on OK. Now tap on next. And here we can set up the bedtime. Basically the time on which you're going to bed and the time when you wake up. This is helpful when you want to use the do not disturb mode during the sleep time. Basically it will turn on automatically when you go to sleep and turn off automatically when you wake up. To set it up, tap on the box under the bedtime, for example, set the hour and minutes, then tap on the box next to wake time, set the hour and minutes, and once you're done, tap on next. And here you can tap on yes or no, depending if you want to use the do not disturb mode during sleep or not. Right here we can select to copy training data from our old device to this new device. I'm gonna tap on no, but if you want to, you can copy them. And here we can set up some goals. If you don't care about this, you can tap on the skip button, but if you want to edit the goals, tap on edit my goals now. This will open this page, and here you can tap on the box, adjust the value. You can also select custom or auto. And once you're done, adjusting the goals, tap on next, and now we're being asked to allow the notification access. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch, you will need to allow this. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and keep it disabled. I'm gonna allow it, like this. Then location permission, you can allow it or deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. But if you don't care, you can deny it. This is useful if you want to track your progression through, for example, running and stuff like that, and you can check the route where you went and stuff like that. Next, we have calendar access. If you want to be able to access the calendar events and stuff like that on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can tap on skip. Then we have call log access. This is useful. For example, if somebody is calling you on your phone and you get the notification about it, it will show you who's calling you and stuff like that. So if you want to see that on your watch, allow the call log access. If you don't care, you can deny it. Then we have phone call access. Again, for the calls and notifications, allow it or deny it. And the messages is the same for as for calls, but for messages. So allow it or deny it if you want to. And now we can tap on sync now. Then finish. And here we have a tutorial how to use our watch. You can go through it by tapping on next. I'm just gonna tap on skip to skip this and tap on finish. Then tap on not now, not now, got it. And at this point you should see the page called My Day in the app. You can tap on the menu icon, then scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, and on the list of devices you should see your Swim 2 right here. You can tap on it to open the device page. This means that the devices are paired together. So that's how you pair the watch during the setup process. Now I'm gonna unpair it from our phone quite quickly, like this. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you how to do it via the settings. So we need to enter the pairing mode on our watch. To do it, press and hold the up button to open the menu. After the menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the option called phone, select it, and then press the start button to enter. Here, scroll down, select the option called pair phone, and then press the start button, and the watch will enter the pairing mode. Now we can open the application or install it. We already have it, so we won't install it again. Open the menu, tap on Garmin devices, and tap on add device. As you can see, the app detected our watch automatically. We can tap on connect it and basically follow the same steps as we did first time. So we need to enter the code and stuff like that. And then tap on OK and basically do the same things we did as the first time. One thing you won't need to do if the application is already installed, you probably won't need to deal with the permissions because you already allowed them or denied them. But maybe if you denied them, you will need to confirm if you want to deny them or allow them again. Okay, tap on next, bedtime, the data, goals, and the permission for the location. Rest of the permission is not needed, so we can tap on sync now. And then tap on finish. Then skip the tutorial, finish. And here we have the watch. When you open the Garmin devices, we have it right here. And that means that the devices are paired together again. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.